Hey citizens, it's me and Clem today. We're gonna go out and get some lunch. Look at him, he's so excited to be in the car. Today I want to talk to you about the African Ancestry DNA Test, and I have not taken that yet, but I want to. So shout out to my cousins all across the world who are watching it today, because I'm gonna be talking to you all as well. As you know, if you watch the video here or here, whichever way it's going to be posted, I've taken the Ancestry DNA test, and of course I found out my results, and you can watch it too to find out my results. And now I want to take the African Ancestry DNA test because I want to find my ethnic group. So basically how it works is it takes your mitochondrial DNA from your mother's mother all the way back, or your Y chromosome from your father's all the way back. So just those two chains, your mother's chain and your father's chain, not the ones in between. And it connects you to an ethnic group. Hopefully, you know, if everything works out well, both groups will connect me back to Africa. Well, if you watch the Ancestry DNA results video, you know, a percentage of my DNA does not come from Africa. So I'm kind of banking on the idea that my mother's my mother's lineage goes all the way back. So how it works is they do a cheek swab instead of like the saliva analysis that Ancestry DNA does, and then also from there, for the maternal test, the mitochondrial test, a female can take it or a male can take it, but for the paternal test, the Y chromosome, only a male can take that test, because of course females only have X chromosomes. So I'm gonna have to find somebody in my lineage so that way that I can do the Y chromosome to capture my father's Y chromosome, and he's passed away, so I won't be able to test him or my brothers because they passed away. So this is why I need your help. This test is pretty expensive. It's about almost $300, like $299. And I am looking for sponsors, and I would like for my citizens and my family to sponsor me. And the good thing about this family, all my cousins out there who share the same maternal lineage as me, the results that I get back also work for you. So we can all take that to the bank and share in that together. Have a ethnic group tribal party, if you want to say. If you are interested in helping me reach the goal of doing the African Ancestry DNA test, the mitochondrial, the maternal test, you can donate to the links below. I have a PayPal link, and I also have a Cash App link. I just recently got the Cash App, so here's my Cash App information. And if you don't have the Cash App, I do suggest that you get it, because it is a fee-free way right now to send money to people that you know. And let me tell you, no donation is too cheap. I would take $1. So my Cash App information is also below. And if you are getting a Cash App, they have a introductory sign up reward, which means that if you sign up and use my code below, not only do you get $5 for signing up, I get $5 for signing up. Let's just go ahead and make it open there. Let's get $5 together. And then I think there's also a stipulation that once you sign up and use the code or everything, that you have to send out money, so that way that money comes in. I'm not sure if it's still that way, but just comment below if you know how it works, because I'm still fairly new to Cash App. I just really like it now because I've been using it over the summer. Well, citizens and my family, all my cousins, thank you all for watching this video. Let's find our ancestors together. Like, if you've taken the Ancestry DNA test or the African Ancestry DNA test and you follow me, comment below your experience, because I'd love to hear about people reaching back. I like when you dig deep into your family ancestry, because it's important to know your lineage and your ancestors. Talk to y'all later.
That's Canadian Queen 76 dude. Go and find it exclusively on YouTube. Oh yeah.